Need no water to go nowhere.
On the Kenai River.
Damn right. We go what we want to go do what we want to do. That's what the business is. Straight up though. Up one side, up one side and down the other, homie. We do our damn thing. Over here, homie. Keep it 100, all the way 100. Oh, I just saw a king jump right there.
There you go. You see that?
We need the where's the poles? Where's the pole? Dad, where's the poles? Where's the poles, Dad?
Wait. Wait, I'm coming.
Dad, where the poles at? Oh, Terrence jumps in. Oh, wait, we got two of them. Hold up. They about to canoe into a pile of dirt.
Paddle, you gotta paddle. You gotta help the paddle. No, we're going out.
No, do what he's doing, Terrence. Look.
We're going out this deep stuff.
You don't need the motor. He put the motor on. He said, I put the motor on.
Wait.
Meow. Oh, wait, there we go. Boy, y'all something special. I tell y'all the truth.
Big waves. I know. Big waves. Huge. Oh. Watch out. I'm going to jump out. So you don't sink. I'm gonna jump out so you don't sink. You know, there's these huge waves.
I'm getting out.
Oh, you jumped in the water, Terrence. You hooked to the anchor. You hooked to the anchor.
I'm swimming.
I almost had him. He says she'd almost had him. He's trying to hook Terrence with the rope.
I was swimming.
Get back in the boat. Help him row. Help him row.
I'm swimming.
Swim back.
Oh man. Oh, come back. I got you.
The motor's on. Then y'all better hold on. If y'all got a motor, y'all better hold on.
Pedal up. Pedal last night, pedal this
The motor's on.
You gotta pull paddle fast.
Paddle faster, Terrence. No, seriously. Come on. You paddle on this side, he'll paddle on that side, and you guys will get a lot further than you think.
Come on, paddle. I'm paddling. Oh, no. You're not paddling?
I'm fishing.
You're fishing? Catch king? Yeah. Should that, whoa, there he is. Woo. Come on, Dad.
I got a king.
You got a king.
Already?
Yeah. You don't mess around. That boy don't mess around.
I like how Dad grabs the paddle and starts paddling again to the next area. Dad said, hold on. If we got a king just now, we need to move back towards the school. Because, hold on.
That was a triple hook with 80-pound test line.